Here's another alternate way of shaping a boule. This type of shaping will give the boule more strength and the ability to spring up higher in the oven. It'll give it a nicer oven spring. What you need to do at this point is to let the dough sit for 20 minutes for a bench rest, and then you'll round it up one final time before putting it in the banneton. So we'll set these aside. And I'll fold these other two. So I'll allow this dough to set for 20 minutes and then we'll come back and do a final rounding up. It's been 20 minutes, so we'll do a final roundup on these loaves. So if you don't allow the dough to do a bench rest, then when you go to do your final roundup, this shaping can sometimes be awkward, not quite as round as you would like. So I'll flour up another banneton here. And we'll shape another one. And if you have any really large bubbles, just pop them.